Please confirm in the chat. And please confirm is my screen is visible clearly. Yeah, good. So yes, we'll start this one, right? Uh, yeah, let me confirm. Is my screen is visible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, approx 75 people have joined. Yeah, good. Okay, so so these 2 days, what we have discussed till now, we have discussed. Okay, we have started from machine learning. We have started from traditional programming. Okay, traditional programming. Then why it implemented. Then after why machine learning came in the market. Got it. Then after why deep learning, we have discussed why deep learning. Deep learning having three parts. One is ANN and CNN and RNN. Okay. These data hungry models like deep learning are data hungry models. Those require lot of data to do predictions. Okay. So basically they are based on the neural networks. Got it. And the ANN is normally the advance of machine learning, we can say. Then CNN is kind of image image related data it can handle. Then RNN, by RNN, you can handle sequence related data. Okay. So we have discussed in RNN many types, right? Sequence to sequence related data. We having one to many, okay, many to one, and many to many. Many to many. First one is synchronized, then second one is asynchronized. Got it, guys? So yeah, we have completed up to here. Then what is the disadvantages? Let's see, RNN. Then we have a lot of disadvantages. So that is why attention mechanism come in the market. Okay, so I have given lot of history how LLM, how like encoder decoder implemented, then after how self attention implemented, how transformer. Okay, then implemented self attention related transformer. Okay, so this is the, I mean, one of the best architecture going in the market right now. Then I have explained for the language processing. Then we have NLP. Then after we have, oh yes, then why NLP? Then after why transformer we have discussed. Then after why Gen AI came in the market and why agentic AI came in the market. Okay, up to here we have already discussed in the first session, right? Then in the second session, then we have seen what is the difference among AI/ML, deep learning, Gen AI. Then we have discussed what is Gen AI. Then how many models people are using in the market. Then we have discussed in the yesterday session. We have discussed in the yesterday session what is LLMs. Okay, then which kind of LLMs are used in the market, and the chat gpt or Propent gpt gpt models, right? And Gemini are providing models, and every company are having big company are having their own models. Okay, then how LLM works we have seen. Then after we started the uh, prompt engineering part. Okay, we have discussed about what is prompt engineering, and we have discussed what is prompt, right? So prompt means basically set of instructions. So if you ask with someone, then you have to explain what you are saying. Okay. So set up instruction which can understand by AI models. Got it? Which can understand by AI model. Basically, user will ask with AI model by giving prompts. Okay. Then according to this prompt, then the model we can able to answer as a summarization or anything. As a input, sorry, as a output format, right? We have to mention as a output format, like we have discussed in components. Okay. So up to here, prompt engineering we have discussed. Then why prompt engineering? Then what is the poor prompt, better prompt, and oh, sorry guys, actually Wi-Fi is disconnected due to current off. Okay, so yeah, now it will fine. Am I audible clearly? Let me confirm in the chat once again, if you don't mind. Yeah, got it. So, so yes. Okay. Then we have discussed about prompt engineering. Then after we have discussed about the what components of good prompt, right? Then this is most important when while you are writing prompt to the AI models, then how they will answer as a role wise, as a task wise, as a context wise, like background information, some extra information. Okay, as a output format, will suppose you are asking, please give me as a PDF, please give me as a Excel. Okay, like this. Then you have constraint, yeah, this one constraint, you have something you have to mention as a 200 words, please explain me this topic. Okay, within 1000 words, please explain me this topic, like this. Okay, done guys, up to here, correct? So we have discussed important parts. Then we have discussed this is type of prompt engineering, right? We have approx four type. Then first one is zero shot prompting. Zero shot means basically what will happen. Basically, what will happen? No example, like simple. I will say the good example translation. any, you can say any word, any sentence, then you can translate in Telugu or Hindi, something else. Okay, so this is no example are provided. This is zero short prompting. Okay, then few short prompting means you have to provide some examples, like if I will say good, positive, bad, negative, excellent, positive, then if I ask amazing, it comes as a positive. Got it? Okay, basically the model learn from those data which we can provide accordingly. Then it can answer if any question given by the user, then it can able to answer what is this. Got it, guys? So next one, chain of thought prompting. Ask to the AI model think step by step. Suppose if you ask, explain something else, explain me. Okay, the what is NLP? Okay, step by step. Then it can explain step by step, first step, second step, third step, like this. Okay, basically AI models are there. Then it, like which prompt you are giving, accordingly they can give the relevant data. Got it? Then this one also most important here. Important thing is role and role, role wise and content. Okay, so yeah, this sector I will explain. Uh, Basically, we have to give, first one is role, second one is task. Task comes as a content. Okay, task means what you want actually. Then role means as a tell me as a faculty, college faculty, as a student. I am studying in 10th class. Then please explain me what is Python, like this. So 10th class is kind of role, and what you are saying, please explain Python. That's comes under task. Got it? If you need some extra information, then you can add. Okay, then if you those are optional cases. Okay, then this is also optional. If you want only summarization, then you can ask summarize me this one. I don't want to uh, any output format. Okay, then you can able to do. Got it, guys? Then here, role prompting also assign a role, like you are a senior data scientist, like you are a college student, like this. This is comes as a role prompting. Okay, up to here we have completed, guys. Up to here we have completed in between 2 days. Got it? I guys with me? Just keeping in the chat. I guess with me. Can we start some practical examples, or how can we write prompts by using LLMs? Which kind of LLM models we can use? Okay, basically. So we have different open source LLMs also. Open source means freely it can available in the internet. Got it? So yes. So I will explain today's agenda. Uh, Today agenda. Okay, first of all, okay, first of all, we'll go through some basic code. Okay, so like in traditional program, okay, like we can use Python. Okay, then in machine learning, like in machine learning, we have to create some basic model. Okay, then train some data. Then after we can ask any question. Then accordingly the data will predict. Okay, prediction will outcome will come accordingly. Okay, then after we'll discuss LLM. Okay, what already we have discussed LLM, but we'll discuss how it works exactly. Okay, we have different processes, how it works exactly. Then we'll discuss by giving some examples. Okay, I will explain some examples. Then examples with code. Okay, so other thing is, then we'll discuss whatever prompt we have discussed. Type of prompts, right? We have discussed, and those prompt we can do by code. Okay, by coding. Then this is the today's agenda. If any other thing, then we can discuss. Then I will explain what is LLM API. Okay, so what kind of APIs there LLM API? The company are providing LLM APIs. Got it. So this is the today's agenda. Then we can go one by one. Okay, guys, done. Till now we have covered this kind of topic. Then for today's one, we can start. Okay, so I have I have explained like traditional programming versus machine learning, right? If traditional programming, like I have used Python, okay, I will be using Python here, then machine learning. Yeah. So I mean, I just want to explain that what is the difference between Python and machine learning. Okay, in Python, this is kind of programming or traditional programming, and this is kind of uh, machine learning, like it is used for the AI implementation. Got it. So we had different limitation here, so that is why machine learning implemented. So I have already explained those kind of things. Then I will do some practical here, so that we can able to understand. Okay. So simply I am just using Google Google Colab here. Okay. So I think this page. Are you guys able to see the screen? Right. Uh, just give a second. Okay. So yeah, we'll discuss a example like this one. So this example I have written here. Just we are implementing something as by using traditional programming, and if marks greater than 40, then you will have to print pass, else then you have to print fail. What it does, if I will put here, basically what will happen, I have explained in the first class. I have to give data, and we have to implement rule, then only accordingly we'll get output, right? In traditional programming. But in what will happen in machine learning, we have to give data and result also, then only it can understand what is the pattern. Okay, what is the rule applied here. Got it. So we'll discuss this one. First one, I have to give this is data, then I will mention here. Then I will put here if marks greater than 40, then print pass, else print fail. Got it. So I am just using this example. I just use tab or there. So here I have mentioned, okay, here I have mentioned marks as a 85. Okay, if marks greater than 40, then print pass, else print fail. Then I will execute this query. You guys aware of this one? Aware of this platform? Like this is a Google Colab, which can available in the Google Drive. Simply you can write Google Colab in the internet website, then you can get. Okay, so I am using this one for the teaching purpose. So I'm just using this one. Okay, so here I will explain how it is working. I mentioned here 85. Then if 85 is greater than 40, then will print pass. If else, then it print fail. Like then if I put here 30, then what will happen? It comes as a fail. Got it. This is traditional. Basically, what happen here? I have given data, then I have given rule also. You should have to follow this rule, then only basically this data is given and follow this rule and put, give the output. So basically it will create output here. Okay, then what will happen in machine learning? So this is machine learning code. What will happen, we have to give data and we have to give the result automatically, then it will create output, like it will understand the pattern. Okay, if I give some If I give some unseen data, then it can able to do prediction. Okay, simply this code I will run. So I cannot explain all those things because it will take 6 months, right? Because total data science course is around 6 months, 7 months, like this. So we can't understand. Just focus on those coding purpose. You will get those codes in ChatGPT or Copilot, whatever. Okay. So yeah, basically I have implemented Python. Then I have imported this model here. Then import NumPy. This is basically numerical Python. Then I have given x-axis and y-axis. Okay. So basically, what will happen here? If I will put here one, this one, then it will give two. Okay, then I will put here 2, it will give 4. Then I will put here 3, it will give 6. Then I will put here 4, it will 8. Then 5, it will 10. Right? Basically, it has mentioned here. Okay, this is the table I have used for the machine learning. Okay, this data I have written like this. Got it? So basically, it understand I haven't given anything, just given input column. This we can say input column. This is output column. Okay. So if I will ask any other question, if what happened internally, basically what happened, actually it's multiplied by whatever x values are there, multiplied by 2 equal to y value will come, right? So if I will give 10, then automatically it will predict 20. Okay, if I give 7, then automatically it will predict 7 or 14, like this. Okay, got it guys? Can you do by using code? So this is basically code. Then I have given here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this one. Then I have used the model, this one, linear regression. We have different model in machine learning like linear regression, logistic regression, KNN. Okay. So then I have created model. Then I have done training data. Then after I just given 10. Then click on here, run the execute. Automatically will predict 20. Got it, guys? So if I use here 9, then what will happen? 9 into 2 automatically it will predict 18. Okay, so basically we don't need give any rules here. It will understand internal rules. What happened here? I didn't mention into 2 here, but it x-axis into 2 equal to, I didn't mention that logic. Automatically it can understand. But it guys, if yeah, okay. Suppose I will uh, use here like ABCD. Okay, this is A, and use here this is B. Okay, then this is C, then this is D, and suppose I am using here this is E. Okay, then here I am using total part 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Got it? If I will suppose I will ask any number here, like I have to ask like this, uh, predict f number. Got it, guys? Then what will happen here? Mm, so basically, what happened if I go with the numeric is not compatible with the RS? Yeah, yeah, yeah. So okay, guys. This is the process how we implement. Okay, so it having something errors, so I have to check. Okay, so basically, machine learning what will understand like it cannot take any rules. Basically, it will understand internally what happens here. Okay, then next come to this part. Then okay, I will give some demo session of Gen AI. Then this code available in this one. Okay, so basically, guys, this is a code for any Gen AI app application. Then we have application means we have front end, back end, and internal things. Okay. Then if I will ask something, then it will go by API. Then after I will get the result accordingly. Okay. So currently I'm using OpenAI API. Okay. So I have this API key. This is from I found from my company. I can't give this one to everyone. Okay, so this is private. So yeah, use this one for the OpenAI API. Then response I have used. Then I have used model this one. Okay, this is LLM basically, GPT 4.1. Okay, then input explain what is Python. I have written here. Explain what is Python. Then I can execute this one. Then we'll get this one. We'll get the result. Python is high level interpreted programming language. Anything. Suppose I want to ask anything. Uh, explain, explain. Uh, who is the Prime Minister of India? Okay. Then I'm just using this one as an input, and this model will understand what the people is asking. As of June 24, because this model implemented in June 24. Okay, so up to here, then Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. Got it? This is act like as a chatbot. Got it, guys? So this is the basic. I will explain. We are going to use lot of example. Okay, if I will ask anything question related here, tell me capital of Telangana. Okay, so yeah, this is the code. Then capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. Got it, guys? So it act like as an AI model. Okay. So basically, internally, those models are implemented inside of the applications. So this is the code. Up to here, are you guys with me? Okay. Are you getting something from my site? Are you just matching the internal things, matching the market trending like ChatGPT or whatever? Okay, so next we'll start how LLM works. Okay, before that I will have to explain like this. We have discussed around four types of prompt engineering, right? So how they can implement, how the developer are implementing zero shot prompting, few shot prompting, then chain of thought prompting, okay, then role prompting. Got it? So basically, I will give some example of this. Zero shot means without example. Then I have to create one prompt by using some example. Then I have to create chain of thought like step by step. Okay, then I have to create as a role base. Got it? So yeah, we will I can proceed by using code like where is this? Sorry, not this one. Yeah, this one. Okay, so basically prompt engineering is implemented by using this code, those kind of code. Okay, so this one from OpenAI, I'm using OpenAI APIs as because we have different APIs. So we can, if you have access with Google, then you can use Gemini related. Then if you have Meta related, then you can use Llama models. Okay, so as of now, I'm using OpenAI because I have access API key. So that is why it will better for me. Okay, simply I have imported OpenAI, then client I have created, then I have mentioned as a API key. API key means what does it mean? API, do you know guys? API, what is API? Application Programming Interface. Okay, basically you guys are using Zomato, Swiggy, right? Suppose, okay, suppose what you are, please unmute yours, please unmute someone. Okay, suppose this is a Swiggy app. Okay, Swiggy application. It will show like this. This one biryani. This is tomato chutney. Okay, so this is as a chicken butter chicken masala. This is a egg curry like this. But you are doing some order here. You will get some order option. Then you are clicking this one. Basically, what will happen? This is only front end, guys. What you are seeing. Okay, am I right? What you are seeing, this is front end page. But what internally will happen? They will have another app here. Okay, in hotel or somewhere. So internally, if you are ordering here, it will go the information from here to here by the APIs. What it? So basically, application programming interface. This app to this app, it will connect. Done. So I think you are aware of this API. Okay, this is comes as a software development. Then I will give little bit example. One more example, like suppose I have booked a train ticket, booked a train ticket on June 25th. Okay, by using IRCTC app, IRCTC, IRCTC, am I right? Yeah, IRCTC app. Uh, I have booked this ticket from just imagine B7, bogie number B7, and this is my first ticket. Okay, first ticket I have booked already. Okay, so after some time, if you are using any other app like My Trip, we have My Trip, right? So if you are using this app, then I guess will this seat is available for this one? If I use my trip application, is this seat is available here? Basically, no, right? Because already it is booked. How it understand how it is booked? Like this seat is booked by me, right? So how other application will understand who booked this one like this? So because of API connection. Okay, got it? I hope you are getting me right. So basically API, API connectivity of many application, two or more application, right? So yeah, I have to go there. So yes, I just creating the zero shot prompting here. So basically zero shot prompting means without any example, right? So no need to mention here example. So we have to mention like this. I have given a question, then I will ask a question, right? It will show like this. Okay. Then response I have created like this. Then I have used this model. Okay. This is basically LLM. Okay. Then I have given a message here. If someone will ask, who will ask? User will ask. That is role I have mentioned as a role user. Okay, then content equal to question. Question means what question user will ask this one. Okay, basically it will then after I will print the responses. Okay, so if I will execute this one, it will showing like this. Ask a question here. Then I will suppose I am asking a question like basically which kind of question I have to use for the zero shot prompting, like I'm using here translation. Okay, so yeah, do translate translate this sentence into Hindi. Okay, which one I have to give? uh, I am going to the hospital. Okay, basically I have mentioned as a role because I have to mention translate this one. Translate translate, am I right? Yeah, translate this sentence into Hindi. Which one? I am going to hospital. Then press enter. Uh, we'll get this result, right? Basically, I'm using short prompting for the translation here. Then if I read the output, मैं hospital जा रहा हूँ, as yeah, it giving explanation for males, लड़की लोग, for female मैं hospital जा रही हूँ. It will give result like this. Okay. Then if I execute again this one, so translate this sentence into Telugu. Okay. So which one? Telugu. I am going to school. Okay. Then press enter. We'll get the result here. I am going to school. Can translate to Telugu. This one, guys. Will get. Okay. నేను స్కూల్కు వెళ్తున్నాను. This one. Okay. We'll get this one also. This result is fetching from this LLM. Which LLM? OpenAI LLM. This one I have implemented here. Okay, so this is open source LLM, guys. No need to pay anything, any amount for this. Okay, GPT-4o mini. Done. Up to here. Are you guys with me? Are you just interrelated with me? Like whatever I am saying. Okay, yeah, done. Okay, this is about zero shot prompting. If I will, what happened? Is there any issue? All right. Okay. So if I will ask anything, like I have given here as a user, then ask as a user, which type of question is user asking? Like simply, it can be able to give the answer. Got it, guys? Up to here. Then we'll discuss second one, few short prompting, right? In few short, I have to mention like words. If I will mention good, bad, excellent, then I will ask anything, then it can predict the next word. Okay, basically LLMs are used to predict the next word, not doing any predictions. Got it. So I will use few prompting, few short prompting. So here word in enter a word I have mentioned here. Okay, I am writing here as a how can I like yeah, I just using enter only, enter a word like this. Okay, so prompt, then I have given as a prompt this one good. I have to get positive. For bad I have to get negative. For excellent, positive. If I will ask any query here, then it can respond to that one by using this model. Then I have used role as user. I have to ask. Then content as prompt. This prompt. This would have to follow. So basically, we have to mention this one while writing prompt. Role and content. Okay, role means basically role having three types: user, then system, then assistant. Okay, if someone is asking, then it comes as a user. If someone is explaining, that is system. Okay, if it will store the data, then that comes as an assistant. Okay, I will explain after some time. Then I'm using here user, then prompt. Then basically I will execute this one. Then it will tell enter a word like this. Yeah, here enter a word. I have to give a word here. So as a good, bad, excellent, I will give here amazing. Then I will get result as a positive, right? Yeah, amazing would also be categorized as a positive. Got it, guys? If I will use here as something like happy, okay, then I will get result as positive. Okay, but happy is not mentioned in the prompt. I haven't mentioned here happy, right? Then automatically this model is answering, is summarizing the result. Okay, if I will use something else like bad already having, right? If I using sad, then what will get? What will get stage is sad would be categorized as negative. Okay, got it, guys? Are you getting something from my side? Basically, we have implemented short prompting, sorry, zero short prompting, then few short prompting. Okay, this is the codes for the few short and zero short. Got it? So if I will here, I will explain something here. Then I will ask a question. What is what is machine learning? Any guess, guys? Any guess? Machine learning is yeah positive. It is a field of potentially significant benefit and advantage because it will tell anything because only I have given some few words, right? So accordingly it will give the answer. If you are asking something, if what is Python, then only it will give the positive result. Okay, so like this. So basically it is uses for when you have to predict some words, then by giving here words like sad, amazing, then accordingly it will predict the result. But it guys, so done here up to here. Then we have chain of thought prompting. Chain of thought means simple. AI think step by step, right? So yeah, I have given this one. I have explained here also. Explain what is NLP step by step. Okay. So we'll do this one by using code. Then chain of thought. Basically, I have created a problem like input, enter a problem something. Okay. I will or enter a question. I can write here. Enter a question. Okay, then it will ask enter to it will ask enter to a question. Then prompt I have given, think step by step here. Okay, basically I am explaining to this model, think step by step, then only the model will understand. Yeah, user is asking things, user is asking whatever question, I have to give the reply by giving some step by step answer. Got it. So yeah, I have mentioned as a user here basically. Then content as prompt because I have given name as prompt, right? So prompt is think step by step, then problem, then whatever question will ask by a user. This one. Okay. So yeah, basically I can execute this one. Then enter a question. So I will ask here what is machine learning. Explain what is machine learning. Explain step by step process processes. But it's so I'm just writing here what is machine learning. Explain step by step processes. Enter. Enter a question. What is machine learning? Explain it step by step. So this is answer, guys. I have posted this one. Certainly, let's break down machine learning step by step. Include its definition. Yeah, if you guys go to ChatGPT, then same answer will get. If I use same prompt, what is machine learning? Because I'm here also I'm using GPT models, right? Because GPT models are implemented by OpenAI, which is implemented ChatGPT. Got it? So yeah, guys, this is step one. Then step two. Step one definition of machine learning. Step two. Then step three. It mentioned like this. So, types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised. Then step four like this. Okay, we'll get lot of. In summary, machine learning is a systematic process of the which is written here. Got it, guys? Up to here, correct? So basically, the developer are using those kind of code for the creating chain of thought prompting. Okay, done. Okay, next move to last one, role prompting. Okay, role prompting basically what would this mean? I have to specify as a role. So basically, what will happen? So what's this chain of thought completed? The next one is role base. Okay, this is role prompting. Then role, I will ask any question. Then input, enter a role. So here basically I have two inputs here. First one is role, second one is question. First I will act, okay, explain this one as a college faculty. Okay, I have to explain this one as a 10th class student. So I have to mention here role. Then after I will ask a question here. Okay, basically I have created two inputs here. Okay, responses, then same model I am using here, then message role, that is system. System will understand who you are a roller, who are you, like this. So basically it will understand, yeah, it's about a college student. Got it. Then role as a user, then I will ask this one, right? Enter a question. Then after content equal to question, according to this question the content will generate. Okay, got it guys. This was the code, and I have to print the responses. Okay, I will execute this one. Enter a role first. Suppose I am a data scientist. Okay, then enter. Then after it will ask enter a query. I'm a data scientist. Then I just want to what is explain what is Python. Then enter. Okay, so as per Python is high-level interpreted programming language, then it explaining key features of Python include this one, this one, this one. Okay, overall Python, this one. This is the result. Got it, guys. So explain what is Python. I have mentioned as a role here also. Okay, so what you will do again? I'm just using here. I'm a college faculty. Okay, then enter. Then I have to ask a question like ex, summarize or explain which topic anything. Uh, yeah, explain what is Python. We'll see the changes. So yes, this result is coming. Then this is the output guys. While we have to write as a enter as a role and enter a question. That's done guys. Up to here. Are you guys with me? Just ping in the chat. Are you guys getting my point? Whatever I just want to explain topics, things. Perfect. So okay. Then we have different type of prompt guys, not only for we have instruction prompting like give a clear instruction like enter a topic, then explain. I'm using here prompt as a beginner friendly, then use bullet point, maximum 100 words. Then if someone will ask this kind of question, then they can implement like this as a instruction prompting. Okay, if I will execute this one, then same answer will get. Then this is basically user and prompt. Then we have system prompting like control AI behavior. Okay, like question input, ask question something, role as a system. Okay? Role as a system, content, you are a data science trainer kind of thing. Then I have to mention like this. Then according to whatever you are mentioning here, then according that the LLM model will generate the output. That's only different, nothing else. Okay, so that is why prompt engineering is most important topic because like suppose you are talking with ChatGPT, any chatbot, then you just know about it, how to write a prompt. Then how can I write prompt? Then I can able to get the best result, best relevant answers. Okay, got it guys. Up to here we have template prompting also. Then we have structure prompting also. If suppose for JSON format, then I will use this one. I just want to get the result in JSON format. Okay, just we have to mention return data in JSON format. Okay, So student name, then course. JSON format, you know guys how it will work. Student name, suppose I'm using Srikanth, then enter, then course I have given data science. I have taken data science course. Then it will generate prompt like this one JSON format. Have you aware of this? We have different format like we have CSV, we have Excel format, okay, we have PDF. Okay, as per data, we have Excel, CSV, comma separated value, TSV, tab separated value. Comma separated value is it will separate by comma, then tab separated value tab like this. What happens? Something else. Okay, okay. Yeah. Then we have TSV, GSV, we have Markdown format, we have JSON format like this. Okay, JSON basically it will generate as a key value pair. Key value. Suppose I have given right this like Srikanth course I have given data science. Okay, I have taken data science course. Suppose comma, then will generate something. Pawan taken Python, comma, then something Sujit taken Java course. Okay, basically it will written like this. Okay, from here we can say those are keys. Those are basically keys and those are values. Those are values. Okay, this is the JSON format guys. Got it. So we got the answer like this, right? We got the answer like this. Yeah, name, Srikanth, course, data science like this. Okay, so basically this is keys and those are values. Okay, then multi-turn prompting like GPT like memory. Yeah, this is also important. Like I will explain. Like multi-turn prompting, basically what it does. Uh, okay, just give me a second. Basically, what it does. Okay, suppose guys you just want to talk with ChatGPT, then you have asked a question: What is machine learning? What is machine learning? Then ChatGPT summarize the answer. Then, if you will ask, give me some example. Okay, then is it able to answer this question? Can it? How can you understand? Which example are you asking? Because already you have asked previous question, right? Basically, this question is stored. This question is stored and this summarization is also stored. Then only it can understand. Give me some example. Yes, the user is asking example of machine learning, not anything. Got it, guys? So are you getting with me? Like if you are using something prompts, like any kind of prompt. Suppose you are using any kind of prompt. Just give a second. I will explain here. Creating simple chatbot. Yeah. So just focus on this, guys. So this is chatbot. I'm just. I will explain later. Okay. I have to complete those topics. Okay. Basically, what will happen? Multi-turn means it will store the previous result. Then after it will understand what the user is asking perfectly. Got it. So for this one, then I have to move. I have to move to of multi-turn prompting. Okay. So basically, this is the code developer can develop. So I just want to give a role as a system. System means basically the answer will come from AI model. Okay. Then content I have given like you are a helpful AI assistant. Right now he is a AI assistant. Got it? So while true, then if your user will ask, then ask anything. I have written here, like I have written here only you, not an issue. Then if I click on exit, then it can exit. Okay, chart enter like this. Okay, so this is if I execute this one. Okay, I will ask anything like I have mentioned here. I have mentioned here as a system, right? And you have to behave like a AI assistant. Basically, I am giving this instruction to which model? This model. Got it, guys? This model. Basically, I am giving model. You have to behave like a AI assistant, not a school teacher, not a student like this. So, according that, they can able to it can able to answer. So basically, what I will ask here, what is machine learning? Enter. Yeah, it can explain. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence AI. Then those. If I will ask again, give me some example. Give me some example. Examples. This question I have asked to chatbot. Then it can create examples. This one, yes. This is about ChatGPT. Then I have asked one more question here. Then both replied, sure. Here are some common example of machine learning application. Then image recognition, natural language NLP, recommendation system, healthcare system like this. Okay. So you guys, are you getting with me? Like basically, mm, just give a second. 1 second. Yes. Chart ended. One, two. Okay. Basically, I have created this code. Then just imagine as a open AI. Then while true question, I have to ask something. Then if I click on exit, then chart will exit. Then this one user. Then question. If I will ask here, if I will ask, just give a second. I have implemented OpenAI API, then question, then I have to ask a question, then after we get response by using this model. Basically, I have given a prompt like role as a user, then content as a question. Question means what I will ask here. Okay, why what I will ask here. Then you just give a user perspective. Okay, so what happened? It's not. Okay, we'll come back. to- then. Yeah, once I will come back to it. Okay. So basically, we have discussed regarding prompts, then how developer can implement the prompts, then how the LLM understand, how the AI models can able to understand and give the results. Got it. So I have cleared up to here. Okay, so basically, I have written this one. Then I have mentioning. Suppose I will mention here. Enter. Okay, like this. How can I help you? How can I help you? Okay, like this. Then close this one. Then execute this one. How can I help you? It's showing like this. Basically, this is user query. Then explain me. If I will tell explain, okay, I'm just asking who is CM of Telangana. Enter. As of last knowledge update in October 2023, the Chief Minister of Telangana is Chandrasekhar Rao. Acha. Yes, yeah, it's not showing latest because it updated in 2023. Yes. So how can I help you? So if I will ask, give me his wife name. Okay, then it can how it can understand. His means what does it mean? His means chief minister name, right? Then enter. Then it can able to give this is wife is Soha. Got it, guys? So basically, it can remember what we are asking. Then if I click if I do this one exit, if I give this exit here, then it will show chart is ended. Chart ended, right? So basically it stopped. Got it, guys? So yeah, it's been 1 hour, so we have to take 5 to 6 minute rest. Then we can start. Okay, so we can resume the session after on a 8:10. Okay, I guess with me, I getting my concept, whatever I'm discussing here. Okay, we'll resume. Take 5 minutes rest. We'll resume at 8:10. Yeah. Okay, yeah, take rest for 5 minutes. I will back. Okay, guys, it's been 8:10. Yeah, we can resume the session. Just ping me on chat. I guess with me, are you on available right now? So yes, we can resume the session. So basically, we have discussed about, yeah, good. Basically, we have discussed about prompt, then how developer using prompt, then about the zero shot prompting. Let me confirm you guys are getting voice clearly. Okay, my screen is visible. All going good. Done. Done. So yeah, basically we have discussed zero shot, few shot prompting, then chain of thought, how we can implement by using OpenAI. Only OpenAI we have discussed. Like I have access for that, so that is why I chose that one. Then if you have access like Gemini AI, then other, then you can create like this. Basically, those kind of rules we can follow. Okay. Then we have discussed role prompting. Okay. Basically, we have to give role and content. Okay, role means as a role like user role, AI assistant. We have to mention any. You are a college faculty, then explain me this one. Okay, then you have to mention as a content. Content means what you want to ask anything. Like give me explain this one, then create a write a mail to HOD regarding this problem. Then that comes as a uh, content. Got it? That's up to here. We have approximately completed prompt engineering. Then we have this one, last one. Yeah, last one is RAG style prompting. Then immediate external knowledge, content, inter content, then question, ask question. Okay, then ask only from the content, then content. Yeah, this is we will discuss this one. I think we'll going to start RAG concept tomorrow session. That's very important, very interesting, and very important also. Okay, without drag, people are not accepting like in the corporate sector. Okay, so yeah, up to here we have completed. Done. Mm, okay, then next we'll start previous session. This has completed. Then how LLM works. Okay, I will give a short introduction about it. We guys already completed like how LLM came in the market, right? Okay, so LLM basically we have to suppose we are using a chatbot here. Okay, basically I am just using this chatbot. The LLM understand by using prompt, right? So I am asking here, I am writing here what is machine learning. So basically what will happen? So I have said, right, I have explained a little bit yesterday also. So basically what will happen? This text, this text will split, like will split into tokens. Okay, this sentence will split into tokens. We have different splitting process. Okay, tokens means words like what, is, and ML. Like I have to write machine and learning. Okay, it will the words may split into four tokens. What it does? First process that one. Then after it will create a token ID. Token ID. Okay. Then what will happen? Embedding. Then we have to create like it internally it happening within a second. Okay. Then it will creating embedding. Embedding is nothing but okay for this process. For this process we are saying tokenization, right? Tokenization. What is tokenization? Basically, whatever we have writing the prompt, basically it is a tokenization means the sentence converted into tokens. Like accordingly, sentence then whatever your models you are using, according to that model property, then it will convert into tokens. Okay, then it creates token IDs. Done. Then after those token IDs, those tokens will converted into dense vector. That is numerical representation. Okay. What is this dense vectors and vectorization? This process is called like it will create for the chart. Sorry. For the what it will create a vector. Then for the each it will create a vector. For the machine, basically it will create a vector. Then for the learning, it will create a vector. Uh, 1 second. Yes, whatever I have explained the code part, totally clear, right? So basically, because you have not created a chatbot, basically we have discussed what internally process the chatbot, right? Because you are using ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT here. Just a second. Oh, it's taking time. I haven't given rest to my laptop, so that is why it's continuously. I have used my laptop approx 14 hours. Okay. Okay, guys. This is Gemini AI. Then we have Gemini AI Chat GPT. Like this, I have to go here. Then I am using Chat GPT to be better. Then this one also. Create machine learning content. Okay. Just give me a second. Yeah. So basically, this is a platform. Okay. This is not a LLM. Okay. So this is a platform where we can write something, we can ask something. So internally, what will happen? So whatever we are writing here, internally that sentence is splitted into tokens. Okay. Then after tokens is converted into numerical vector, that is called vectorization. This is only for platform, only for interface where we can write something, right? So internally the processes happen. So whatever we have discussed the code parts, internally they implemented in that chatbot. Okay, but we are seeing this chatbot as a only interface. Got it, guys? So I have given. You might have lot of uh, questions like lot of that. Like this is not a chatbot. Then how it is answering those questions? Okay. Basically, internally they implemented those codes. Okay, done. Then got it. Then up to here, correct? So basically, the sentence is splitted into tokens. Then after token, it will create a token ID. According to tokens, then it will create a vectors for every word, for each word. Even you will create a dot, you will create a comma. That also it will create a vector. Okay, so this is the vector. This process is called vectorization. Vectorization. Okay, what is tokenization? Then what is vectorization? Okay, this vector will represent. Suppose is representing five numbers here, like this. Okay, then that is represent as a 5D space. Got it? Then suppose it having one and two, then it will represent as a 2D space. Got it? So for what word? Suppose imagine for word, then we are getting a vector like a 15D. Okay, what does it mean? 15 dimensional space is represent the word is represented in a 15 dimensional space. 15 dimensional space means, guys, imagine like I'm just created only 3D here. Then in a big in a universe, in a space, then we can create a 50 dimensional space. If a word will close that one, then that will, well, basically it will create a vectors. Okay, so yeah, we're having lot of mathematicals only, not hardly. Okay, up to here, correct, guys? Up to here, are you with me? So we have converted into vectorization, like vectors. Then according to that vector, then LLM will answer. Like those those input will go to LLM by using APIs. Okay, without API, LLM can't understand. Like without API, it doesn't pass from here to here, right? Then LLM will understand this query mathematically. Then after what will happen? Then after it will create a summarization. It will create a summarization as a numerical representation, not a text. Numerical representation. Then after it will pass to, it will, yeah. Then after it will summarize as a text by using only LLMs, because only one LLM is not using for a chatbot. Okay. Then after it will come through API. Then whatever you are seeing the summarization here. Okay, understood basically what happening. Because you are using ChatGPT, then you are writing something, then internally those sentences splitted into tokens. Then after the tokens converted into vectorization, then the vectors is approaching with LLMs, then LLM generate the output. Then after it will come through a API, then the total result will be fetched in the output. Okay, got it, guys? What I want to explain here, basically ChatGPT, then what are writing here, then basically it happening those kind of steps. Got it? So done. Yeah. So okay. So I will explain how they created tokens. I mean by using LLM, how they uh, split it into token. Then after I will explain what is the code for embeddings. Okay. So I have code. I guess I have a code here. This one I think tokenization. Just give me a second. I haven't explained one more topic here, like while using ChatGPT, while using OpenAI, then while creating chatbots. Okay, I will come back that one. Okay, simply for this I'm using TikToken. So this is one famous library which is providing by GPT. Okay, then I have installed this one. Then I have used this one. Then text I have used here. I love data science. Okay, so yeah. Then tokenization for GPT model encoding tick token. Then encoding for GPT. Same model I'm using here, which is GPT 4o mini. Okay, token encoding, then encode, then token ID, it will create token ID. Then after number of token it will create. If I will execute this code, then what will happen, it will split into token. Like I, for I, it is create as a token ID 40. For log, this one 3047 token ID. For data, then this one. Okay, for science, this one. Got it, guys. So number of token 4 created. If I will specify something here, like I'm using what is deep learning, okay, as a beginner. I'm writing like this as a beginner. So I will execute this one. Then basically what will happen? It will create tokens by using this model. I'm just using now this model. Internally it will create a token like this. For what? This is the token ID. Is this is the token ID. Deep learning as a beginner. Totally we have created seven. We have seven tokens here. But it guess this is the tokenization process. Uh, I have repeated. Okay, got it. Yes, I can execute this one for better. Then I love data science. Then I will get the result like this. Okay, 40 I. Then this one, this one, this one. But it guys, this is a tokenization. Basically, it the sentence is converted into tokens. That's okay. If I use it as a user, like input, I'm using here input. Input means basically we have to enter something. So basically, I will execute this one. Then which I have to uh, find the tokens. Like any example, what is the best best learning platform for AI. Okay, I'm using this one. Then enter. Then it will create tokens. What this one is, this one, this one, this one, this one. Like this. Totally 9 tokens created. But it guys up to here. I guess with me. Anyone please unmute. Okay, up to here. I guess with me. Okay, then we'll discuss embedding. This is embedding. So. Then we'll discuss second one, embedding. Okay, so from OpenAI, import OpenAI client. This one I am using API key. Then response this one. Then model this model. Embedding we have different model for embeddings. Okay, so currently I'm using text embedding 3 small. This is the embedding model name. Okay, input I am using here dog. Okay, so basically I just want to find the embedding of this word dog. Then embedding this one embedding. Then I just want to print embedding length. Then first 10 values for embedding 10 values. This one. Okay, so I will execute this query. Basically what will happen, I just want to find the dog embedding. Okay, so what will happen here? Then this is the embedding vector, guys. So basically the word is converted into vector. This is the vector. Okay, and see guys, here for dog word, for only for dog word it created 1536 dimensional space. Got it? For the only single word, for the only single word, it created 1536D, that is dimensional space. We know that 1D, 2D, 3D like this, it created 1536D. But it in a space, it having 1536 columns, I mean vector space. Basically, what will happen? The AI model can understand what is dog means. Okay, dog. Suppose imagine this is a dog image. Okay, then it will understand like color, then like ear size, then it will understand like how many legs. Okay, it will understand like any like mm, eyes, how many eyes are there. Then this one basically it will create 1536 inputs. 1536 input for only for the dog one. Okay, but it guys, I guess with me, I will explain if I'm using here, if I will use here as an input, I can write like this input of something, enter a word, okay, like this, then I will execute this one, then after it will ask enter a word, Then I put something like a cat, CAT, then enter. Then it will same this also it is generating 1536 vectors. This is the vector. Okay. Only I have fetched only 10 values. We have 1536 values here, but I fetched here only 10 values. Suppose I will do here 20, then it will create 20. Suppose I will use another word like machine. Okay. Then this also 1536 generated. Basically depends upon only this whatever model you are using. Okay. Then guys, yeah. Okay. Up to here. Up to here. Done. So next move to attention. You guys know what is attention, right? Because before transformer, the people invented attention. I have explained in the yesterday, like history of sequence this one. Okay. Then after they got some mistakes here, like they give didn't put any importance word like priority, don't have any priority, okay, of important words. That is why people invented self attention. Got it? Self attention. Basically, this mechanism is using in transformer. Got it? Transformer. This is very totally chat GPT. Total chat GPT is based on the transformer. Totally chat GPT follow the transformer architecture. Okay. Like a GPT we have right generative pre-trained transformer. GPT full form generative pre-trained transformer. Basically, it depends or bases on the transformer architecture. Okay, that's clear up to here. Okay, then we have temperature, guys. Then just have to create a temperature variable like this. Then we'll have to put temperature value. Suppose I will put here 0, then temperature means basically it will control the creativity. Okay, control the creativity. Like suppose I will put temperature at 0, then it will create similar answer only. If I will use temperature as 1, then it will create some different answer. Okay, those are basically like values. Then we can put as a variable. Okay, basically I have created this one. Then I'm writing like this. Write a story about cats. Okay, then I just executing this one. I have used GPT 4.1 here. So write a story about cat. Okay, I just execute this one. I haven't printed here. Okay, we get once upon a time in a quiet village, nestled between rolling this one. This is a cat story. Okay, simply we are getting this much answer. If I will use temperature as something 1.5, okay, 1.5, then we'll get some different answer here. Okay, yes. Once a time, the little gray cat named this one. Something it will create some creativities, like it will generate the answer by using some creativities, by using some additional information like this. Then if you specify like zero point 0.5, then probably you will get the result while you are using 0. Quite less, yes. Approximately it based on, I mean it probably it matches with 0, right? If I will use 2 here, then it will create some different answer. Just a second. Yes, it is creating. That's something creativity. It was very large. I think 1.6. I'm using here. Oh yes, answer time the outstretch is completely different answer. Okay, so this is the temperature, guys. If I use something, write a story about a king. Okay, I will write something, then it will generate a simple. Like if I use zero, then it will generate a simple. Then if I will use 1.2 like this, then it will create some creativity. Once upon a time in a lush green wellness surrounding something, then if I will use here 1.5, then it will create something else. Okay, but it is basically this is the different and while doing while generating the summarization, generating the content, then also we have to mention as a temperature. Okay, for better creativity. Then plus somewhat well, it was powerful kingdom. Yeah, this completely different. Okay, but it guys, I guys with me up to here. Tokenization clear. Oh yes. Okay, I guys with me up to here. What is tokenization? What is embedding process? Then attention, self-attention, transformer. Then those are important while doing agentic or generative AI. Then what is like the latest one? What is temperature? Got it up to here clear? I have explained by using coding. Then I will provide those coding also after completion of this session. Then yeah, you can practice. But I'm not sure we'll getting something free APIs. Yes, this API key already I used for I mean my company provided this one. I can't give you. If I give you, they put in me jail. Okay, so this is completely private. So that is why I'm using your OpenAI models because I have OpenAI or Open API keys. Okay, OpenAI API key. Got it. So yeah, approximately we have completed. Then after I will explain this one here. What is happening here? See guys, I'm just creating a chatbot here, simple chatbot. Chatbot means, do you know what is chatbot? Chatbot, whatever you are using, ChatGPT is a chatbot, Gemini is a chatbot. Chatbot is nothing but is a chat box like this, like ChatGPT, right? It is a chat box, and if you want to ask something with AI models, then this is the interface. This is a chatbot. Okay. So yeah, then if I will ask something here, while to import you, then this one API key used question, then something I will use here enter a question, something how can I help you help you. Okay, so this question automatically asked by chatbot. If I will press exit, then chat ended. It will show like this. Okay, for this also I have used GPT-4 O Mini. Then just behave as a user, and the question is content is depend upon question. What I will ask here. Okay, simply it is asking like I will stop this one. Then again I will re-execute. Then it will asking. It will ask how can I help you, right? So explain me what is Python. Okay, as a beginner. Done. Then explain me what is Python as a beginner. It is generating the content. It will generate the content by using. this this LLM. Okay, so this is the content. Python is high-level interpreted programming language, easy to read, write. This one interpreted language, versatile, large community library. This one totally they can provide it. The LLM provided. Okay. Then again, it is asking, how can I help you? Okay. Some give me as if I will ask what is machine learning, then it can able to give the answer here. I ask what is machine learning, what is machine learning here. Uh, this one, how can I help you? Then what is machine learning here? Then the bot is replying like this. Machine learning is a subset of artificial something something something. Okay, generating the content. Okay, guys. Suppose I will ask here. Suppose I will ask here. Give me some example. Okay. So can you able to? I mean, I guessing something. It can able to answer because I haven't updated the advanced one. Okay, let me know which category interested you, or if there is something else entire you would like to example of. It asking which type of example you need. Basically, it could have understand that if we are asking something, if already previously based on the previous section, based on the previous summarization, then it can able to answer, right? So it's not answering here. Basically, I haven't stored the data. Okay, I haven't stored the data. I haven't written here codes regarding the storing purpose. Only simple chatbot this one. Okay, this is the problem you are facing right now. If I will ask here same thing, if I will ask what is okay, I will ask like who is the PM of India. Okay, basically it can able to answer as of latest last update in 2023. The PM of India is Narendra Modi. He has been office since 2020, sorry, May 26 2014. Please verify this one. Okay, basically it giving answer. If I will ask here, give his wife name. Okay, then it cannot understand what's you talking about. What is saying, could you please provide more context of specific you are referring to? Okay, this is the problem with chatbot. So that is why we have implemented some storing purpose. So I can use this one. Message.append. We have append function in Python. Basically, it will store the whatever we can talk about. Like so, already I have used this one. Sorry, this one for the storing purpose. Then for this, if I will execute this one, if I will execute this one, it will ask like you only. Okay. Mm, just give a second. Mm, this, should I implement it here? Uh, I will rewrite that one. Then control V here. Then enter this one. Just a second, just a second. Hmm, transfer this one, yes. If I'm doing in another page, then if I write execute this, then it asking something. Okay, here I will ask like who is the PM of India. Enter. Then as of my last knowledge updated in October 23, then Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. If here I will ask give his wife name, then enter, then it can able to understand uh, which can able to understand that the previous already stored. Like here talking about the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi. So basically I'm asking Narendra Modi wife name, right? So Narendra Modi wife is this one. Just over then Narendra Modi. But it okay. Basically, this is the code for the advanced chatbots, and I have implemented this one because only I have used here assistant because of it will store the previous one. And a role as assistant, if you mention, it will store the previous chart. Okay, then guys, basically those kind of technology implemented in ChatGPT, right? In ChatGPT also, suppose you will ask what is what is machine learning, then enter, then accordingly if I will ask give some example, then automatically it will understand. Yeah, the prompt is talking about previous one, machine learning. Got it. I will show this one. This is machine learning definition, this one. Okay, whatever. If I write here, give me some example. Okay, then it automatically understand that yeah, examples from machine learning. I am talking about example of machine learning. It can able to give the answer. Basically, this technology implemented in ChatGPT also. Yes, yeah. See here, here is some simple and readable machine learning examples. How it can understand that? I didn't mention anything machine learning here. Got it, guys? Up to here, we have completed lot of topic. So this technology, this tool, developer implemented behind the ChatGPT. Got it? So if I do here edit, then this one edit, then chart ended. It will show like this. Got it? Uh, I think we have moved so far. Okay. So yeah, this is the session for today. Got it? Just write on ping me on chat like it's clearing. I mean, I think you guys are facing first time as a AI tools, as a AI technologies, so that is why it will be bit difficult for you. Then no worries about it. Okay, is it clear what I want to explain? Just speak in the chat. And any queries from your side, if you need any suggestion, if you are talking about any, if you have any doubts. Guys, with me only 45 people, but the start more than 80, 90 people have joined. Now only 50 people are there, including me also. Okay, guys, can you stop here? If you don't have any queries, then we can wind up the session. Then we'll connect tomorrow, definitely, at the same time. Then just give any limitation of token words. Limitation limitation means token words. Once you have